Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can delete your Facebook account on your iPhone. Well, it is very easy. So first of all, open your Facebook account, and from here you'll have to now simply tap on the menu bar right here. After that, here you'll have to scroll down, then you can see the option of settings and privacy. Tap on it and then tap on settings. So from here you can see the option of see more in account center. Tap on it. And after doing that, here you'll get the option of personal details. Tap on it and then tap on account ownership and control. So after doing that, tap on deactivation or deletion, and then you'll have to now select the account that you want to delete. Here you can see this is my Facebook account. I want to delete my Facebook account. Then you'll get two different options, deactivate or delete. So if you are deactivating your account, you can tap on it, and you have to remember while deactivating your account, it will be temporary. If you want to relog in it, you can relog in it anytime and your account will be opened. But if you select delete and delete your account like that, then if you do not relog in your account within the 30 days, your account will permanently be deleted. So if you are sure of that, you can simply select it and then tap on continue. So after doing that, here you can see these are all of your account info that will be deleted. If you are sure of it, you can again tap on continue. And then if you want to give the reason, you can do that or not. You can simply tap on continue. And then in here, you can see Facebook has given you the things about permanently deleting your account and what happens. And here you can read it all if you want. And you can simply tap on continue when you are done reading it. And then for the security reason, you'll have to enter your Facebook account password in here. So after entering a password, tap on continue. And then again, for the final time, tap on delete account. So after doing that, here you can see your account has now been scheduled for deletion. So like I said, if you want your account back, you can relog in it within the 30 days or your account will permanently be deleted. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.